Welcome to our guide on connecting a custom domain to your Wix website. Let's dive into the importance of custom domains and how Wix can elevate your online presence. First, log into your Wix account and head over to the Domain Settings section. This is where the magic begins. Next, decide on your domain provider if you haven't already. Popular choices include GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Google Domains. Now it's time to update your DNS settings. Change your records to point to Wix's IP address and set up the name accordingly. After updating the DNS settings, we need to verify the connection on Wix. Just follow the prompts and confirm your settings. Let's break down common DNS settings. Records direct your domain to an IP, name links subdomains, and MX records handle emails. If things aren't working, don't worry. We'll troubleshoot common issues, from DNS propagation delays to misconfigured records. To ensure everything is set up correctly, check if your domain resolves to your Wix site by typing it into your browser. Remember to regularly monitor your DNS records and renew your domain registration to prevent connection issues. Congratulations! You've learned how to connect your custom domain to Wix. Recap the key steps and keep this guide handy.